Once upon a Halloween night, I lay calmly and quietly in my bed. In the midst of darkness, brightened by moonlight, I heard Rex and lifted my head. My mum called me to come and get a treat. I placed my paw in her hand for the trick. Then she laughed and said, "Go ahead, eat." So I gobbled my treat and I gave her a lick. The house was littered with spooky decor, as if it belonged to a witch. I knew it was just pretend no more, even if the fake spider web did make me itch. This wasn't my first Halloween. I had experienced this holiday before. I saw my mom had painted her face green, then she let me outside through the back door. I knew what was coming when she let me back in. She had somebody with her and was bearing a grin. I didn't mind a bandana, though I looked like a cartoon, but suddenly I remembered today would be a costume. Every year she gets me a new one. This year is no exception. We've linked the video down below if you'd like to see our collection. After the usual poses and pictures, I sighed and went back to bed. But we still needed to turn on the outdoor light fixtures. Then my mom gave me pats on the top of my head. She pays close attention to the cats on this day. She says Halloween is dangerous and she must keep them safe. Please check out the blog to prevent pets astray. It's linked down below, only one click away. Now that Halloween's over, tomorrow the 1st of November, happy last day of October. Don't forget to subscribe, please remember.